easy and delicious broccoli chicken Chinese style. I'll start by adding a broccoli in a pot of boiling water. Then I will add a sliced carrot. And I will mix these two vegetables a little. I will cover the pot and let it cook for 3 minutes. While the vegetables are cooking, I will cut 300 grams of chicken breast, first into strips and then into smaller pieces. Guys, this broccoli with chicken, it is very easy to make and it looks delicious. I am sure everyone in your family will like the result. After 3 minutes cooking the vegetables, I will turn off the stove and remove it from the water, draining all the water very well. In a frying pan I will add a little oil. And I'll add all the cut breast that I had in store. I'll let it cook over high heat for a minute. After the minute, I will season it with salt to taste. Freshly ground pepper to taste. Now I'm going to turn it over so you can cook the other side. At this moment I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Leonie Woolley from Australia. Also for Cynthia Cledera from Philippines. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. When the breast is a little golden on both sides, I will add 2 crushed garlic cloves and move constantly to fry it. I already fry the garlic. I will add a medium onion cut into julienne and cook it for 2 minutes. At this point, I will add the cooked vegetables I had reserved and stir a little to incorporate it with the chicken breast. Then, in 150 milliliters of water I will add half a teaspoon of cornstarch and stir until it dissolves. Once the cornstarch is dissolved, I will add it in the pan. And I'm going to incorporate it very well. Friends, this Chinese-style chicken broccoli is perfect for a healthy lunch or dinner. It's super easy to make and hassle-free. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and integrate it with the other ingredients. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe, so leave us here below the following message: I love broccoli, to send you a very special greeting. Finally, I will add a tablespoon of white sugar and incorporate it. And already our chicken with broccoli is ready. We have prepared a delicious broccoli with chicken in Chinese style. Although I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoe and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.